And welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with MarquitalVluxury Luxury. On today, again, we are going to talk about some fall handbags that are coming out. But before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at MarquitalVluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Before we get started, I have a question. I want you guys to tell me in the comments what canvas handbags get a pass. I know I recently told you about the reverse monogram Atlantis BB. $3,100. We know this now. We can calm down. It's either we are going to purchase or we are not. But we have some canvas handbags in our collection that we have purchased that have been clearly over $2,500. Over $2,800, like the Marquita Reverse Monogram Loop GM. Yes, I understand it does have leather trimming, but what canvas handbags get a pass? I want to speak on that. Like, we have the side trunk. Yes, I love the side trunk, the gold hardware. I want to know, why do certain canvas handbags get a pass? And I'm not against it at all. I agree that the Atlantis BB in reverse monogram is too high. And me, myself, if the price doesn't change or I hear something different by the time October gets here for pre-order, I'm out. I really don't understand the price. I'm out. Even with the mini Bumbag being over $2,000, being more than the high-rise Bumbag. Look at the size. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments, why do certain canvas handbags get a pass? Okay, let's get started. I have my handy dandy notebook because I like to be organized and write down everything I want to discuss. I told you guys a little bit on yesterday about the Shearling collection coming out October 13th. Everything will be over $4,000. So if you are not really into the Shearling collection or the Teddy collection, you most definitely can just move past this. I was interested in the backpack, Bumbag, and Speedy 25. This is a collection that I actually, I wasn't just collecting when it came out the first time around, but of course it is coming out again and it's going to be much higher. Specifically the Bumbag. I am in Houston, Texas. It's 105 degrees right now. But for some reason, I've always been a fan of the Shearling Bumbag. I'm not saying I'm going to purchase. I can't even see myself paying over $4,000 for any Bumbag. But I want to know if you do have it in your collection or if you have anything from the past collection from the Shearling, let me know. And also, I gave you guys a little hint as far as the Teddy collection goes. I have the Teddy Speedy 30 bandolier. I was told, Marquita, hold on to it. Do not sell it. I'm still waiting on her to give me the information on what is so important about this handbag. But if you do have anything from these collections, hold on to them. And that is from my CA, okay? Again, it comes out October 13th, new collection. It is another Atlantis GM. This is coming out in January. It is going to be under the Dune monogram. That's what it's named, Dune monogram. And this is a picture here. It is coming out in January and this is the GM size. So, of course, it's the GM Atlantis in monogram. It's $3,450. I'm pretty sure this is going to be more or probably the same price. I don't even know how LV is pricing these handbags. But if you are interested, this is coming out in January and it's going to be under the Dune monogram. More handbags are coming out with this print as well, but I know a lot of us are focusing on the Atlantis GM a little bit more, let me know. If this is a handbag that you feel like you're going to be interested in, I hate that they added the black bag tag to this. They could have just kept it classy. I would have been okay with just a gold padlock on here. I don't know. Let me know how you feel. Again, that is coming out in January. We have the On-the-Go Tote East-West in upfront leather. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have been waiting on this. Recently, they just launched the reverse monogram in the On-the-Go Tote East-West with the coin pouch and the guitar strap. I am so interested in seeing what strap they add on to the upfront leather On-the-Go Tote East-West. Me, myself, I am passing because I have the On-the-Go Tote in the PM size, MM size, and GM size. I hardly use the PM, so why would I add the East-West side to my On-the-Go Tote family? So I know I'm passing, but a lot of you guys passed on the reverse monogram because you wanted upfront leather. I feel they're going to add a guitar strap as well. I feel it's going to be the exact same. It's just not going to be canvas. It's coming out in black and cream. October 29th. Be ready to pre-order in September. Again, if you are interested in the On-the-Go Tote East-West in upfront leather, black and cream, be ready. Have your funds available in September, which is only, what, 2 weeks away? Be ready. Okay, the Christmas animation. I started collecting in 2020 and I stopped right after that. I just feel there's no purpose to collect on my end. I tried to do this for my daughter and she was not interested at all. I had the bag tag, I had the mini pochette, and I kept the passport holder because of course I have my passport inside. But I'm not doing any type of collecting. I'm not going to do it. I passed on 2021, 2022, and now it's coming for 2023. Again, this is in October. Once I get pictures, my CA said she was going to send them to me. I will share. So if you are into the Christmas animation, be ready to purchase. October 27th is the launch date. Of course, we will see so many pictures around starting in September. Again, this is from 2020. Now, I want to talk about this collection here. I am interested, but I am just trying to spread these purchases out. If the Atlantis, I'm just still stuck on it. If the Atlantis is priced at over $3,000, I am kindly passing. But this collection here, I was actually interested in the blue denim from LV from years ago, the vintage blue denim. Of course, I wasn't a collector then, so I missed out. For some reason, I just didn't want it pre-loved. I don't know why. I just didn't want to purchase pre-loved. It's everywhere. You know, you can purchase. So this is called the LV Denim Blue. This is going to launch January the 11th. The handbags that I am looking at, it's a new backpack, an On-the-Go Tote MM, and also a NANO Speedy. No, I'm not into NANO handbags, but a few of you guys are, and so I just wanted to bring it to your attention. I am going to show you a few handbags that they are saying that the collection is going to mimic. So hopefully it does look like this because this is what I am interested in. I love dark denim versus the lighter denim. Check this out. Check out a few of these pictures. Let me know what you think. Are you a collector of the denim handbags from any luxury brand? You guys know I have one from YSL and I also have one from Louis Vuitton that launched, I believe it was in 2021. So this is what I was speaking on. This is my first handbag, denim handbag from Louis Vuitton. Like I said, I didn't catch the denim collection years ago because I just wasn't into, you know, purchasing then, and I just didn't have the money. This is what I have. Honestly, I've never been 100% satisfied. Yes, it's carefree. Yes, I love it. Yes, I wanted the extended zipper on it. I wasn't 100% satisfied because I love the vintage look. With any denim handbag, this is why I fell in love with the YSL. This is the look that I wanted. It just wasn't LV, but it was YSL, and I love having this in my collection. This and the YSL Ikari Maxi Tote are my favorite bags from YSL. So the denim collection that's coming out, I am interested in. I really am. I can't wait. But the only thing, I just don't want to put this on the back burner. The only thing is, I don't want to purchase these denim handbags and sit on them. But I know it's going to be different. So I can make use of all three if I do decide to purchase. And when I speak on these denim vintage handbags that are coming out from Louis Vuitton, this is what I want. Okay, so this is a Neverfull, the 1859 Neverfull. I want this dark denim blue and the vachetta. I want treated vachetta. This is how it's supposed to honestly look. I don't want the light vachetta that came with the high-rise Bumbag. Okay, so the dark denim is what I want, and I want the treated vachetta. The color just looks amazing, and then of course a carefree handbag. This is what I want when I speak of the vintage. I want it to look like this. I love a good slouch handbag. I want it to look just like this. Okay, I want it from Louis Vuitton, but I want it in the dark denim with treated vachetta. Maybe I'm asking too much. I don't know. You guys tell me. Maybe I am asking too much. As you guys can see, they did it years ago. I'm not sure if it came out with a lighter vachetta. These are just pictures. I did find these on Google. Maybe, you know, the patina has set in. Maybe this, you know, maybe they have been sitting a while, and that's why the vachetta is no longer lighter. But that's exactly what I want. The thing is, I cannot picture a high-rise Bumbag being a denim Bumbag. I don't know. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. I think it will be high, long as it's not, you know, long as it's treated vachetta around the zipper. Okay, I think it will be high. I'm not sure, but I am interested. I really am. I'm interested. I want an actual handbag. Okay, maybe the On-the-Go Tote MM, and maybe the high rise. But we are getting a high rise in denim blue from Louis Vuitton. Be ready, guys. Be ready. And let me get the date for you. And this is January 11th. So, from September all the way until January, you guys need to have your funds together. Just know 30 days in advance, 15 days in advance. It's between 15 and 30 days. That's when pre-orders start rolling out. All of these handbags are coming fast. So you need to be selling handbags you are sitting on, making preparation, saving, doing whatever if you really do want to purchase. Okay, so November 11th, the NANO Alma in monogram is coming out. This is the Alma BB. I haven't used this handbag yet. I just feel like it's just so much vachetta. But if you look at it, it has been sitting for 4 years, and the patina has set in. It's starting to set in, and it's getting darker. I'm not using it, and to me, that's a plus. That's what I want, and I hope you guys can see that the vachetta is now getting darker, and it's just been sitting. And so maybe I'll get some use out of it in probably a year or two. So if you are interested in the NANO Alma, be ready to purchase. Like I said, probably in October when pre-orders are available, you will have the chance to purchase. I feel already that the Alma BB is the perfect size for this handbag. So if you are into these smaller handbags, be ready, because the Nano, Alma, and Monogram is coming out, and a few of you guys have been asking for it. You guys are ready, but just make sure you go in and try on an Alma BB, because I do feel like this is still a small handbag and it does hold all of my essentials. And so moving to a smaller handbag, just make sure it's able to hold the things that you carry with you every day. A card holder, your lip gloss, a mirror. You guys know what you carry every day. There's some Nanos that's already available. Go in, try them on, and make sure before purchasing, because this is something that I want to talk to you guys about. I noticed that I will purchase handbags, and if I feel like there's no use for them, I have it bad returning. So I will let it sit over the 30-day mark, and then I will notice like, hey, I really don't even need this handbag. By the time, you know, you're ready to return, the 30 days has expired. You can't return it. Then you find yourself trying to sell the handbag. No one wants to purchase it for the price you paid, and then you have to reduce. So just be sure you are purchasing handbags you are going to use, not because they are cute for the moment or because you see someone else with it and it looks cute on them. Go in, and I know, you know, it's dangerous, and some of you guys don't really live by some of these boutiques, but if you do have to purchase and you're not able to try them on, give yourself a time frame, 72 hours. That's what they give me when they send the bags to me, and I tell them, hey, don't slide my card yet. They know not to swipe my card. They give me 72 hours to decide, and I feel like that's long enough. Again, if you are not by boutique, feel free to order, but don't let the handbag sit and find yourself in a situation, in a place to where there is a handbag that you really want and you can't purchase because you have your money tied up into a handbag that you're not going to use. And before I end this video, I want to speak on this one more time. And before you guys ask, this bag tag came from the Game On collection that was launched in 2021. I sold the Neverfull, I sold the bandeau, I sold all the card holders, and I kept this beautiful bag tag. And on the opposite side, you guys can see it's like an epi leather, and then canvas here on the side. And I think it goes perfect, even when you see the little red exposed, but I think it goes perfect on this handbag or any handbag, you know, in your collection. This beauty here was over $2,800. But the thing is, it did come with two straps, a beautiful chain strap, and it also came with a leather strap. It is trimmed in leather, a lot of gold hardware, and the size is a GM. So yes, I feel, because I see a lot of people was like, well, you paid so much for the loop GM and that's canvas. Yes, it's canvas and it has leather trimming. And like I said, it has two straps. The reverse monogram Atlantis BB is basically this. The only leather piece is the strap and the bag tag. And it's this size. It's a BB. It's a BB size. And so $3,100, it is nuts, you know, and that's before tax. And a lot of us are going to be nutty in purchase. And I might be one, but I don't want to be one. So that is my excuse on why I paid more than $2,500 for a canvas handbag. So if you've paid over $2,500 for a canvas handbag, regardless of the size, please let me know in the comments. And guys, let's just cheer on the people. If they still want to purchase, let them purchase. We can admire from afar, okay? We can tell them kudos. Let them spend their money the way they want to spend their money. So I just wanted to share that, and I want to talk in the comments. You guys let me know what you feel. Again, I have more videos. I have spread out this content. I love talking to you guys, and I hope you guys feel the same. So stay safe, stay blessed until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.